Kia ora, my cuzzies. It's me, Buzz the Cuz, back at it again on another amazing adventure. Today, I'm off to use my taha tinana. Wake tātou. Yeah. I'm growing into a long, tall rako. Oh, look! I found a huge rako. Come on! Check out this beautiful rako. I'm going to become this one now. Okay, it's got strong roots, so I can use my waiwai for that. And it's got beautiful branches, so I can use my arms. And check that out, cuzzies. And now I'm a rock. All right, let's see what else we can find. Come on. Oh, can you guess which ngangara I'm trying to be? I'm trying to be a weta. Weta, 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 witty, witty. Come on. You know, cuzzies, I was thinking something important to us is te taiao. So today, I'm going to use my taha tinana to become te taiao. Can you guess what I'm trying to be? That's right, a manu. Come on, my manu. Let's fly. Come on, cuzzies, come be a manu with me. And now, I'm gonna be ngā Hauora. Oh, it's been such an amazing day today, my cuzzies. I've been a rako, I've been a rock, I've been a weta, I've been a manu, and I've been a Hauora. See what you can become, my cuzzies. Ka kite anō.